We live in a society executively dependent on science and technology, in which hardly anyone knows anything about science and technology. The science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Science knows no country because knowledge belongs to humanity and is the torch which illuminates the world. Yes, okay, today I'm going to show you how can we create digital keypad security door lock using Arduino in Tinkercad? So let's begin without wasting our time. So first of all, we need to open this tinkercad.com and then we'll be here in our dashboard. So from this, we are going to create circuits. You can create an account with this. I've already given in my previous videos how to open an account with the Tinkercad. You can use your Google account also to open an account with this. So now let's begin creating circuits. So we are going to create circuit over here. Let's begin with create new circuit. So we will come under this platform. This screen will display. And now we are going to use all these components, whichever we need in this, and create the security door lock system using Tinkercad. So let's begin. So I'll select over here in components, I'll select all over here so that everything is displayed. So now I'll first use Arduino. Okay, I'll bring this Arduino over here. Okay, after bringing over here, I'll move this Arduino upright. And then after Arduino, I'll bring even display also over here. Type display over here in this. And look for the display here. I have display LCD 16:2. I'll bring this one. 16:2 display. And then I'll connect now this display with this Arduino. I'll do first. Okay, I'll connect all these wires like this. And we can change even the colors of these wires. From here we have, okay, I'll take black first. Okay, now again I'll connect. The wire, and then I'll put this as red. And now I'll take one resistor here. And then I'll collect this resistor also. Can change even this to black. Connect even these also like this. Now let me change even the color of this also. Let me connect even this also. Change the color also. Now let's connect from here, wires from here also. Okay. Change the color. Change the color of this as orange. Next. So let me join this LED cathode. Here. Right. Let me change the color of this to black. You can change to any color, it doesn't matter. Now I'll bring another one resistor over here. And I'll use the power of this resistance as 220 ohm. Now let me connect this resistor also. Okay, now let me change even the color of this. Wait. Let me pick one more wire from here too. Okay. Let me change this color also to purple. Now let me pick another one wire from here. Let me change to pink, multicolor. Pick another wire from here. Let me do that as brown. And the wire also. And let me join this to this last one terminal. And let me make it black. Okay, now let's bring even keypad also. Keypad, type of here, keypad. And you will see this 4x4 keypad. You can bring this. And now let's connect even this keypad also. Let's change even the colors also here. So let us connect all these and we'll change the colors. Let's change the color first. Okay, this first one, you can do any of these colors, it doesn't matter. Okay, first one I'm doing red, and the second one I'm doing, and the next color orange. And this third one I'm doing yellow, and this fourth one I'm doing green, and this another one doing turquoise, and this one I'm doing blue. Next one I'm doing purple. You can choose according to your own wish. Pink, okay. Now let's have one servo also. Servo, micro servo over here. You will choose this one. Okay, let's rotate even this also. So done. Okay, now let's connect even this also. Change this to red color. Okay, now next from here, put down there. Change this to black. From here now. Connect this to this terminal. Okay, I'll change this to yellow. Now it seems almost we are ready with it. Now we need to just code a little bit and our circuit is ready. You can see. Okay, now let's code. I have the code ready in here. We'll be we have blocks based coding also, but we are not using blocks. We are using text based coding. So just select this text based coding. You need to delete all this. And this coding I've already done, and it's done with the help of Python. And you can if you know Python a little, you'll be able to code it very easily. So I'm just copying this and then pasting that in this. Okay, and then about the password over here, I have kept it as 1234. If you want to change it, you can change it also. If you don't want, you can keep the same one over here. I have kept master password as 1234. So if you want, you can change it also, but I'm not changing it right now. So I'll be doing with this only. And okay, now our code is almost over, and now let's start simulation. Let's put this all in short screen. Okay, let's start simulation now. Let's see what happens. Use this in the code. Let me again. You need to paste this as it is, otherwise if there will be any error, it will not show you the correct result. Okay, let's start now. Let's see what happens. Okay, now yes, it's working now. The code was pasted correctly. At that time, the code was not pasted correctly. That's why it was happening like that. Okay, let's enter. So the password was 1234. Let me enter first 1234 only, and let me check. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Door is open. Now let's try by entering wrong password. Okay, now let me try by entering wrong password. 3, 4, 5, 6. Password, it will say the password is wrong and the door will not open. Now, okay, let me once again try 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay, again it's saying wrong password and the door is not opening. Let me enter 1, 2, 3, 4 only. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the door is open now. So this is how we can create security door lock using Arduino, and this is automatically when you enter the correct password, then your door will open. So like this also, we will be able to create this kind of security door lock system in our daily life too, in the same way. So we need to know about Python programming too, and this all happens with that also. And hope you enjoyed the video, and you will also try to create one.